If you've been looking into email marketing platforms, you may have noticed Constant Contact comes up a lot. It's been around for decades and gets recommended by a ton of review sites. So why the heck do we give it such a low rating here at Email Tool Tester? Well, let's just say we know email marketing tools, and compared to all the other incredible options available, Constant Contact just doesn't make the cut. Stay tuned to find out why. But first, we have to acknowledge that one of the biggest things Constant Contact has going for it is its wide range of features. You can build landing pages, send SMS, run ads, post to social media, and even promote events. We do have to give them kudos for having everything laid out so clearly. It's a breeze to find what you're looking for. And creating an email is relatively straightforward. You just head on over to the email section to create one. They also have more than 200 email templates on offer, which is pretty impressive, though the designs aren't exactly the most modern, and this is where Constant Contact starts to show its age. Its editor uses a drag and drop system, making it easy to drop in the content blocks you want. This is pretty much the industry standard now, so there's nothing here that's exactly groundbreaking, although we do like how easy it is to drop in event details and RSVP buttons. One slightly annoying thing is that it takes an extra click to delete content blocks, although we admit this isn't exactly a deal breaker. Now, Constant Contact does also let you build landing pages and forms, but its builder isn't the most flexible. We find it really frustrating that you can't choose in what order the forms appear. I mean, what if I don't want to have the email field first? You can add custom fields, but you're limited to text and date-based responses, so you won't be able to add checkboxes or multiple choices in the event you want to let subscribers choose from different types of content, for example. Thankfully, you do get more flexibility with the landing page builder, but as you can see, you need to put in a bit of work before you can share with your audience. There are no templates available for sign-up pages, so unfortunately, you'll need to DIY the design. Now, there are a few basic templates if you choose the custom landing page option, but you won't be able to add a form to these, so they're really not that useful. We all know that segmentation is important for running targeted email campaigns. And here's where we run into Constant Contact's first major drawback. Like other email marketing tools, Constant Contact does let you create your own segments and even suggest a few pre-built ones to help you get started. You can also set up tags to categorize your subscribers even further. But here's a catch. Segmentation features aren't available on Constant Contact's cheapest plan. In fact, you'll actually be paying something of a premium for it. We'll get into the nitty-gritty of pricing a little later, but trust me, compared to most of the other email marketing services out there, it is not cheap. You can get a much better deal with other providers that include segmentation, even on the free plan. We've dropped a link to some of the best free alternatives below. What's also mind-boggling is that Constant Contact Segment Builder isn't exactly the most sophisticated, so it's not really clear why it's treated as a premium service. Another area where they fall short is automations. Taking just a quick look, you can see they offer a few basic templates to get started, including welcome emails, anniversary and birthday messages, and abandoned cart campaigns. But it's also obvious that they're not super flexible. You can only include one trigger, for example, rather than being able to define multiple entry points. Again, this is pretty standard for most ESPs. You're also limited to just a handful of actions: sending an email or SMS, updating a contact field, and adding or removing a tag. Now, these automation features might be fine if you just want to set up simple automations, but the problem is the price. If you want access to all the templates and be able to create custom automations, you'll need to be on Constant Contact's highest plan, Premium. And yeah, as the name spells it out for you, you'll be paying a premium for it. In fact, pricing is the #1 reason why we wouldn't recommend Constant Contact. While the light plan might seem like a good deal, it's too restrictive. It's fine to start with, but if you have big plans for your email marketing, you'll probably need to move up to the standard plan sooner rather than later, and it's just not worth the cost. And check this out. Constant Contact sneakily hides the finer details of their pricing. See here? The standard plan starts at $35 a month, but prices go up very quickly once you go over 1,000 subscribers. If you want custom automations, you can expect to pay at least $80 a month for that. And that's not counting the overage fee that gets charged if you go over your sending limit. You get a much better bang for your buck with tools like ActiveCampaign, Brevo, and MailerLite, which are loaded with features at a much more affordable price. At Email Tool Tester, you'll find a list of Constant Contact's top alternatives, which we've linked to in the description below. We've also linked a handy comparison template that you can use to find the right tool for you. Okay, so let's sum up Constant Contact's pros and cons. First up, pros. Constant Contact offers more than just email marketing. You also get landing pages, SMS, social media posting, ads, and event promotion. The platform is user-friendly with its drag and drop editor and its clear layout, making it easy to create emails and manage content. You also get more than 200 email templates, and even if the designs aren't the most modern, this does give you plenty of options for creating emails. As for its cons, core features like segmentation and advanced automations are only available on higher priced plans, making it less affordable than other options. What's more, Constant Contact's form and landing page builders are restrictive and lack customization options. And finally, automation features are limited, with the more advanced automation capabilities locked behind the most expensive plan. So what do you think? Is Constant Contact for you? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to Google Email Tool Tester for more tips on finding the right email marketing platform for your business or project. Till next time.